Claff's Sauna S1. Regular visits to thermal baths and saunas have proven a healing effect. They improve general health, increase immunity, and accelerate healing processes. However, public saunas are not always nice and hygienic. The best option is having your own sauna at home. Previously, only owners of private homes outside the city could afford such a luxury. Today, thanks to companies like Claff's from Germany, anyone who has some free space in their house can have a sauna. The Claff Sauna S1 is a compact transforming device that can be increased or decreased in size at the touch of a button. The sauna can be either a small cabin with a depth of 60 cm or a room 160 cm deep. This space is more than enough to enjoy a healing treatment. Inside you can find a sophisticated and elegant sauna heater. The bed and the bench are made of walnut or abachi and can accommodate 2 people. Bloom frame. The architectural features of some residential buildings don't allow residents to spend their free time on the balcony, because there are no balconies. In the past, the only way out of this situation was to find another apartment. Today, thanks to technological advances, there is a second option, replacing a normal window with the Bloom frame system. This is an invention of the Dutch studio Hofman du Jardin. Bloom frame is a convertible window. By pressing a button, the frame with the glass is set in motion, and in 55 seconds, the window becomes a cute little balcony. Despite the apparent fragility of the construction, the special reinforced glass can support up to 350 kilograms of weight, that is 2 or 3 people. If you wish, the transparent floor can be replaced by a metal one. So far, this technology has been implemented in a few residential buildings in Amsterdam, New York, Paris and Beijing. However, we hope that soon anyone who wants to can install this kind of window. Wessex lifts. Although this invention was originally developed for the elderly and people with disabilities, absolutely anyone can benefit from it. The lifts from the British company Wessex are nothing like the cumbersome and complex structures that can be found in any high-rise residential building. This is a compact, lightweight and easy-to-install lift that can be placed even in the living room. The cabin goes down and rises up to 3.5 meters in the air, which is enough to move from one floor to another. It's spacious enough to accommodate several people or a wheelchair inside as well. It only takes a day or 2 at most to install a lift like this. The manufacturer offers several models and a variety of designs so that the lift fits harmoniously into the interior. New Logica. If you still don't know what your ideal kitchen should look like, we're going to give you an idea. Because it's impossible not to fall in love with the new Logica system from the Italian company Vacucine. It's a kitchen set that comes with a variety of accessories. The customer, of course, can choose from different options. First of all, pay attention to the moving shelves that can save space and make access easier. The tap has a swivel mechanism so that it doesn't get in the way when you don't need it. Another interesting feature is the free positioning of the sockets. The sink and the stove can be covered to extend the worktop space. The large number of hooks makes it easier to organize the space. Regular kitchens can get messy very easily. But new Logica's system allows you to store all the items in their proper place. All this magnificence is hidden behind the doors, so the appliances get less dirty and don't inconvenience you when you don't need them. Ghost sliding door system. It may seem that traditional doors have a universal design that simply can't be changed or improved. However, this is not entirely true, and the manufacturers of sliding doors prove it over and over again. The model you see on the screen has been introduced by the British brand Box 15. As you can see, instead of opening the usual way, they move to one side, saving space. They're easy to use, even if the room is very narrow. When you open the door, the passage is not blocked. If the two doors are very close, as shown in the video, they move in different directions and don't obstruct the passage. Sleep number 360. Now let's turn to the bedroom and pay attention to the place where we spend a third of our lives. Sleep number 360 is a revolutionary smart bed, which not only takes your house to a new level, but also significantly improves the quality of life. The manufacturer, the American company Sleep Number, has included many interesting features. This bed will help you to fall asleep faster by gently warming the area where your feet are. The mattress analyzes every movement of the human body, constantly adjusting its shape during the night to ensure maximum comfort. At the same time, the mattress has several layers, and according to the company, is 50% more breathable than any other mattress. The rigidity and shape of the mattress on different sides of the bed can be changed independently, so each person can choose the best configuration for their comfort. In addition, Sleep Number 360 will help you overcome the problem of snoring by lifting one side of the bed. The body assumes a position in which the person is unable to snore. These numerous functions can be controlled through the mobile application. You can also adjust the temperature and turn the reading lamp on or off. The app monitors your breathing, heart rate, and movements. This data can be used to track, analyze, and improve the quality of sleep. Switchbot curtain. Opening and closing the curtains is an unpleasant task that takes a few short but still precious moments each day. Fortunately, the scientists from the Switchbot company have found a way to put an end to this problem. Switchbot Curtain is a tiny product, which, however, can offer you a new level of comfort in your home. It's a wireless robot that turns any standard curtain into a smart curtain in seconds. The working principle is very simple. The device is attached to the curtain rail with two hooks. After pressing a button in the app, it starts moving to the side, opening the curtain. However, you don't necessarily have to press the button. You can set a schedule in the app so that the Switchbot curtain moves at the right time. This device only costs $75. Marcus. The last invention for your home that we'll show you today is a comfortable high-tech table. Marcus has been developed by the Italian company Ozio. The main characteristic of the table is its ability to transform. In a simple way, in a matter of seconds, the Marcus changes height, turning from a coffee table into a dining table. At the bottom, there's a small but spacious compartment for storing dishes, for example. Pay attention to the side of the table too. It remains fixed and acts as a bench.